Imagine a situation. You have a list of 100 people and you have to write their names, family and age on your website. What would you do then? I know what you are thinking. You need an HTML table. In this video, you see the complete example of the table and I explain each of them and you will be familiar with HTML table and its syntax. First of all, let me explain the main tips about HTML table. The HTML table is defined with a table tag. The whole content of the table and other table tag must be included within this element. It's not an empty element, so it must have both opening and closing tag. tr tag creates table rows for HTML table and each row starts and ends with this element. pd tag divides table rows into separate the HTML table data. Any information that you want in your table should be inside this element. Using the th tag allows you to divide a table row into the HTML table heading. Heading will be displayed in the first row of the whole table. The coolSpan and rowSpan attributes are used to make a cell span many columns and rows, meaning that the column or row will merge. The coolSpan attribute makes a cell span a specific number of cells downwards, meaning that, for example, the cell with this attribute will merge 2 or 3 cells in a column to create one. Here you can see the result of this code. This is useful when you have included a lot of data in one cell. And the rowSpan attribute acts in the same manner as coolSpan, but instead of merging cell in a column, it spans through a row. You can also use this element when you have a lot of information to include, but you want it to be in one line. Now you can see the result of this code, and I merged 2 columns with rowSpan equal to. Use CSS properties to create a custom table look. You can add an HTML table border, give your tables some colors, and even more. Thead, thefoot, and thbody allow you to separate the table into header, footer, and body, which can be handy when dealing with large tables and help to understand HTML code better. A brief and easy accessibility consideration is to apply a caption to the table. The caption element defines the caption and should be used straight after the opening table tag. You might sometimes decide that you want to style one specific column in your table so it would be different from others. If so, you should use the cool group element. This tag defines other styling tags such as cool, which can be used inside it. The cool tag defines which column will have a defined style. We learned a lot about how to make a table in this video, and in the next video we will learn how to work with forms and form inputs.